We're about to do a 3v3 challenge with Mathias and Hendra Setiawan, but unfortunately, I'm not main character engine enough, so I don't have my own team. It's Team Hendra versus Team Mathias, but no matter what team I'm on, I'm gonna make sure I do everything I can to make our team win. So, look at my strategy. No, Hendra. Whose team am I on? Okay.
I ended up in Team Hendra and was benched immediately. But keep watching because you don't often get to see two legends like Hendra Setiawan and Mathias play this freely, joking 1 second and producing unreal rallies the next.
Out.
Yes, you can see the pain in my face, but just wait because I will become the one that carries this team.
Oh, that's a winner. Oh, come on! Wait, is that fault?
Hendra actually didn't fall here, but Mathias served anyways, giving us free 2 points.
Hey, wait.
Yeah!
Pay him! Us fellow Indians, we need to stick together.
We're gonna win when I go in.
Vincent, substitute.
Put me in, coach. Put me in.
Not putting me in. Mine. Oh, sorry. Mine.
Me? Okay. My time to shine.
Finally, they put me in. Now just watch what happens next.
Okay. Choo! Let's go. Ooh.
What? Sorry. I forgot.
Oh! Let's go! Ooh!
Yours.
Let's.
Hey, let's. It was too good of a shot. Yours.
Okay, I got it. Oh, you. Nice. Ooh.
Sorry.
Good try.
Stay. Hey.
Ooh. You. Go.
Leave it.
Yeah. Sorry.
It's wrong. Me. Go. Yours. Yeah.
Two.
They decided they want to cheat, but it's not really cheating if you're caught cheating. This is how you really cheat.
What? You.
Go.
Nice.
I felt like we were too far ahead, so I needed to, make it more fair by going back onto the bench. So, just watch. I'm coming back though. I'm coming back.
Yeah. Go.
Yeah! We win. First round. Let's go. I think it's too easy.
Yours. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Oh.
Sorry. Perfect response. Yo.
Oh.
Yours. Mine. Okay.
Oh.
Out.
Yeah, good. Well, no.
Okay.
That's good. It's okay. We want to 3-set it. They'll put me in when they need me. I'm Michael Phelps. I'm the anchor.
Who is this guy.
Let's go. One more.
Yours.
Hey, aduh.
Mine.
The drift is against us now, right?
Yeah.
Uyo.
First it's first.
Oh.
Yours.
Easy.
Mine.
Easy. Score, are we winning?
Me.
They're trying to conserve my energy right now. It's so much easier indoors though. Outdoors is so hard.
sorry, lu. I forget.
Nice shot.
Sorry.
Let's go.
I stay. Hey!
Hey!
I would do something, but I don't want to offend the flag.
Me.
Yours.
Oh. Put me in, coach. Put me in.
Chase.
Okay. All right, here we go.
Mine.
Yeah. Ui.
Ooh. Oh no.
Nice.
Me.
Mine.
Ooh. Good shot. Let's go.
Me.
Mine. Yours. Hey!
Sorry.
Wow. Yours.
You. Rotate.
Yours.
Oh. What? Let's go.
Good shot.
Okay, I serve.
Hey.
Where? Go front? Who serve?
Yeah. Cut.
Red card!
Red card.
Oh. Oh. 1-all? It's a tie.
Thank you.
It's a tie. Okay. Tie.
Let's resolve.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Every time they put me in, I won. Then you put me more. What?
You lost the last point though.
Did I?